Hello, today I'm going to be talking to you about evolution, specifically microevolution. So, the big question is, what is it? Well, the scientific definition is that microevolution is a change in allele frequencies that occurs over time within a population. These allele frequencies can be caused by four different types, for example, mutation, selection, gene flow, or genetic drift. In simpler terms, it's the process of mutation caused by changes in genes throughout time. Russian entomologist Yuri Filipchenko discovered and came up with the name microevolution and macroevolution in 1927. Macroevolution and microevolution are basically the same thing, except that microevolution, you're talking about a small population, while microevolution is talking about a big one. We see microevolution every day in our lives. We just don't realize it. For example, we're seeing with dogs, because dog breeders are what they use in order to create new dog breeds or to combine specific traits from different dogs in order to make a favorable one. For what I mean with this, if I want a really friendly dog that has spots, dog breeders breed a dog that has friendly traits with another dog that has spots on it. And this way, by combining the genes, I get a dog that's friendly and has spots. Another example of where microevolution is present is in hereditary diseases, because hereditary diseases such as cancer or cystic fibrosis or heart diseases can be treated by gene therapy, meaning that with mutations, they can help the gene disappear completely. And so that is a form of cure in order to get rid of it. Another example similar to this is when a person has Down syndrome, because it is most likely caused by trisomy 21, meaning there is 3 copies of the chromosome 21 instead of 2, which is a mutation. And mutation is part of microevolution. One more example of where microevolution is found is in pesticides, because a certain pesticide that killed a certain insect may not work anymore due to the insect developing a resistance to that specific pesticide, because over time the individuals that survived when the pesticide was applied passed down the stronger genes that caused them to survive, and so their offspring survive again, and then they become immune to that pesticide. Microevolution is also seen in the Galapagos finches that Darwin saw, because their beaks are shaped differently due to the different type of food they eat. However, they all have a common ancestor, meaning they all had the same shape of beak at one point. And due to the different islands they lived in and the different food that was available, their beaks started to change through time. And this was a genetic mutation as well. This is microevolution because, like I said before, it's a change through genes in a small population over time.